Every day, I speak to tens and hundreds of students who come to me with one question that Satyamedh, I'm truly interested in financial reporting. I love how the accounting standards work. I truly enjoy the process of deciphering the accounting standards and what does each line mean, and I want to build a successful career somehow using that as the base. But I don't want to be an auditor because, of course, becoming an auditor has in a lot of ways become a thing of the past. Nobody wants to do the same old job again and again. Are there any career opportunities available for those who like financial reporting, who enjoy financial reporting, but don't want to get into the audit domain? Of course there are. And that field is known as Financial Accounting Advisory Services. If you were to look up any of the big fours, EY, PwC, KPMG, Deloitte, and then GT and BDO and all of these, what these companies have is that they have a separate financial accounting advisory services department, which they call FAS. Now, if you are truly interested in financial reporting, if you like going into the depth of accounting standards, understanding what they mean, and not just that, if you are interested in the practical applicability of these concepts, then the financial accounting advisory services would be the right domain for you. But do not be mistaken by assuming that it is only the big 6 consulting firms that have these services. If you look at a lot of mid-sized firms also, the financial accounting advisory services, or FAS as we call it, has become a go-to domain for a lot of young finance professionals. Later on, if you have become an expert in financial reporting after spending 4 to 5 years and you want to move to another department, maybe you want to shift to audit, maybe you want to shift to risk advisory, the doors open for you. It's not as if you will have to remain stuck in this particular domain throughout your career, but it will help you lay a very strong foundation. And you know, financial reporting is the base for auditing. Where financial reporting ends is where auditing starts. So if you are getting an opportunity in the FAS department, if you are getting an opportunity in financial reporting, I think you should lap it up. You should grab it with both your hands and make the most of it, because it is only going to pave the way for a brilliant career ahead. Now, if you want to know more about what other career opportunities await for you as ACCAs, as chartered accountants, as US CMAs, all you have to do is mention that in the comment section below, and we'll have our experts reaching out to you for personalized guidance. Thank you.